You are welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, let us understand how to make a web application online corporate conference. So here is a consultant firm who conduct conferences on behalf of the client, and who are interested, the users can buy the ticket. So earlier all these things happen manually or offline, but now due to the online, so we can implement this project as online. Therefore, all the users who are interested to participate in the corporate, so they can join. So here we'll show you ASP.NET C# language with SQL Server. So we'll demonstrate this project with this kind of technology. But still, after watching this video, you could able to write this project any other language like JSP, PHP or Python. So first let us understand the project details, for whom it is, how this works, what are the things will be involved in this. So, so as discussed, so this for the a consultant firm. Consultant firm, so who conduct conferences on behalf of the customers or behalf of the companies. So what does that mean? So let's say this is the locations, it's a hotel. So international dignitary, so who is very famous in that country, who conduct the conferences there. So let's say, for example, software testing. So therefore this consultant firm can communicate with the this particular person who conducting the conferences in that country, and now they can conduct the same conference in this particular hotel. Therefore the people who are interested to participate here, they can come and join. So earlier all these things will happen offline, so therefore this firm has to communicate with everyone and then they need to arrange. Now due to the technology they can go online. Now whoever want to conduct conferences, they can book online. Now this person, we don't need to communicate him. If interested, he can book online. So once it's booked, once is the conference is ready, people who are interested to that particular conference, they can join or they can buy the ticket and they can go to conferences. So I'll show you in detail how the whole concept works, how you have done this project. Therefore, if you are interested to do a different project, so this is what different than the regular project. So therefore you can choose this topic and then you can use this topic to make your project. So this video particularly for BE, BCA students, so who are doing course, and as for your curriculum, you all know like you're supposed to do a project. So now to help it out, this video is done. So therefore after watching this video you could able to make this project, and it's a totally different title, therefore definitely you can choose for it. Now let us understand what are the modules are there in this particular project. So it will have three modules. One is admin module, company module and the user module. So company means who would like to conduct the conference, and this admin module means this is a consultant firm. So their responsibility to conduct the whole conference, and user is the one actually who want to participate in the conference. Now let us see the each module. So in the admin module, what are the options are there? So in the admin, admin can type what are the conference types they can conduct, the corresponding list, and what are the venues, where are the venues are available, and the corresponding list. In which are the cities they can conduct the conference, the corresponding list, qualification and profession for the users. And here they can see the companies who are all registered with them and users who are registered with this particular website. So next one is the company module. So company module means who would like to conduct the conference, okay, who want to run the conference. So here is a conference registration, they can register the conference, they can see the list and register user list. Who are all would like to participate for this conference, that list will be shown over here. Even they can also view the other conferences and what are the types of conference the admin provided and where are the venue lists. They can able to see the venue list too. So next is the user module. So user is the one who is going to attend the conference. So here you can see the conference list. So for the list will be available for the user. He can register for that. So if you wish to go for a conference, you can register for this. Then I can also see the venues, where are the venues and what are the conferences he registered, that list will also come. So it required on 30 to 40 pages. So therefore it's a full-fledged project. So for all type of concert, all type of conferences, national, international, even for school, colleges, we can conduct online. So that we can, this is all the process actually online, but the event actually taken place in the particular location. Fine. So therefore, so it make an easy interface between all the three players. So this for conference company or this event company. So therefore, by sitting in one place, they can able to conduct in the different cities. And people would like to do conference, they can register online and they can fix up the date. And they can also check it out how many tickets are booked. Based on that, they can go to the particular venue and they can deliver the conference. And people like who are interested to this particular conference, they can buy the ticket online and they can participate in this. Therefore, the works will be very smooth for the consultant company. Fine. Now I'll show the demo like how the whole project works. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. We'll keep bring more and more project videos. The advantage of project videos is useful for your academics as well as your job. So if you practice any of our projects and you make the project is ready in your system, so definitely in the interview time you can able to present it and you can show them. So it will give you more mileage. So therefore learn practically. So in our channel we have many videos. To view the videos, select the channel name, right click on this and open in a new tab. When you open in a new tab, you can able to see all the videos of our channel. So here you can see iBlix tutorials and when you click on videos, you can able to see all the videos here. So here you can learn web design, you can learn C# project, you can learn how to make VB.NET project. So therefore we have around 400 to 500 projects here. So check it out which project is suitable for you and which one you like. Then based on that, so we also like how to make the document, synopsis, AI diagram, DFT. All the videos are available over here. So therefore just learn one by one and make your whole project ready. And also we have Viva, interview questions and all. So please watch whenever you're free. So you can add to your favorite window. So when you add to favorite, if you click on this star, so what happens? So you have a link over there. Next time when you come over here, just click, so it will open the channel and all the videos. Therefore, it will be easy for you to observe. Fine. So now let's move on. We'll open the Visual Studio. So here is the Visual Studio. Now the project is already opened here. So this is a conference management. We already done this project. So you can see that all the files over here. And you have to give the proper name for each file. That is also one important thing. Right. So it will have three modules. So therefore it's a quite around for 50 files are there here. So these are admin, these are customer, and these are the user. Right. So customer are the one who would like to conduct the conference are the customers. Users who would like to attend the conference, they are the users. Fine. So here you can see this is a server explorer. So we have a database over here and you want to expand this. These are the tables which you are using in this particular project. I'll show the table structure. So here is a table structure. So this is admin login table. This is the event tab. This is city tab, qualification, profession. This is the venue tab and this is the customer. This is the event, customer event. What are the events that they would like to create? That is there here. And this is the booking tab. Users can book the conference via booking tab and then user tab. So these are the tables which you are using in the project. So now in order to run this project, you have to click on IIS here. So when you click this project will run in the browser. Now we already opened the project in browser, so it's already running here. So this is IIS and here you can go to conference management. If I click on this, again it will open the same. So you can see that this is a conference management. So this is the main page. So when I click in get inside, you can take the next page. Here you can see that all the options are provided. First we log into the admin login. So now it go to admin login. So you need to log in as admin. So for that you need to use the credentials. And this is admin credentials. So once it's logged in, so you can see that conference types. If you go to list, so these are the types of conference one can conduct. So you want to write one more, you can go to this and then you can write here. So here you can write as a college seminar. So this for the particularly for college students. So we'll have a message box that is created. When I go to list, you can see that one more college seminar created. So venue listed, so this is the venues. So these are the different venues, so we already listed over here. So this company can keep on list the more venues as and when they'll come out with the uh, different venues. City names, where all they conduct, that names is that. Presently there is only Bangalore. So next they'll start with Mumbai, then you can write as a Mumbai here. So Mumbai city. So next is the qualification and the profession. These are the users useful. So once we enter it over there, so this data will be pop up when the user sign up. So therefore, what are the entries they are done that automatically come over there. So therefore, user no need to enter; they can only select from the list. And here is the registered company list. It shows the registered users who are all registered. And here is the people who would like to want to buy the tickets. That is are the users. Okay. And these are the customers are the companies. Now we'll take one more window. So if we copy this main address and go to one more tab and then paste here and press enter, you'll come to main page again. Now we'll go as a company sign up. So here these are the details of which are provided. Company has to sign up with these details. So already signed up, so therefore I can go to company login and then I can log in. Now here I can register the conference. Okay, so now this is college seminar. So here seminar topic is why Python, or you can say why you need to learn Python. Why you need to learn Python. Okay, so this is the topic name or conference name. So where it will happen? So it will happen in Windsor Manor. So date we can select. Details. So what are the details? So here we'll explain why you need to learn Python, how to get the job and all lot of things you can write over here. So what is the registration fee? So this fee is 2500. So save, record saved successfully. Now if we go to registered user list, sorry, conference list, so new conference whatever is registered it is there here. Right, now you can go as a user, so you can book for it. So get inside. Now user sign up, you need to sign up here. So once you sign up you can able to log in. Now you can see that user can able to see the conference list. So you can see that you can learn college seminar Windsor Manor 2500. So now assume that you are interested in this particular conference. So then what you can do, you can register for conference. Then you select for this. So then all the details will come automatically. So go to next page. This is a dummy payment. So indicate to that you are going to make the payment here. Online transfer. Transaction number. So done by CanBank. So you can write the details. So therefore it should be reflective in the admin. So you can see that your register number comes and all the details will be there here. Alright. So then if you go to my register list, so it will show that what are the conferences you are registered. So venue list, so it show the venues, where is the venue. Now here is important, okay, when you come back to this company or this one, so you can see that my conference list, so there are 3 conferences they are registered user list. Okay, now if you select this, you can see that one user registered for this. So as the number of users are keep on registering, so this company, this agency will come to know, okay, how many are registered with them. So this is how the whole online concept works. Hope you understand the concept, and if you have any doubts, please write it in the comment box. Let me know what you're facing the problem, and try to do this project as we discussed already. You can do it in ASP.NET, you can do it in C Sharp, ASP.NET C Sharp, or you can use JSP, Java JSP, PHP, Python, all this possible. Fine. So here I'll just show you like how you can design the page. Here is this hyperlink. So if you go to toolbox, you'll have a hyperlink over here. You need to drag it over there and then go to properties, make the changes. You can see text, company sign up, it's written over here. And then you can change the background color. So here is the background color. Likewise, these are the labels. These are the text boxes. This is a text box. You have to make it as multi-line. So therefore, it's multi-line. You can able to enter in the multi-line. And this is the button. So this once you design, so the correspondingly the HTML code will be generated. So it's automatically generated. You don't need to write this, but you have to write the program. So C Sharp program to once you enter the data, when you click submit, you have to save the data. So therefore, here is the code to save the data. So dot I can write if read. Okay, so if read, that will do the job. Okay, so if read means if there is a record. Okay, so therefore it's the record. If there is already a record, then you don't need to save this. So here is a customer. So therefore, if customer is already present, we can say this record is already present. Otherwise, we need to insert here. So we have separate videos like how to write this code, that is all explained over there. So please watch that. So when you watch that, you know like why you have to use this single quote, again single quote, double quote, comma, plus mark. All are explained. So therefore you will understand why you have to use this way and how you can able to insert the data. Then you have to response dot redirect. So you can send back to the customer login dot axpx file. So please all the watch the videos like how to make these projects step by step, learn them, and then you already shown the design, every page design. So you write on this design and then try to do this. Okay, thank you.